Funny what goes through your mind when you think of times you spent together. Funny, but when I think back while we broke up, the reason seems so small. One day she's with me, everything's fine, saying something sounding like I love you. The next week I see her walking down the street with someone else, probably saying the same thing. It's doing my brain in. I got nothing, going nowhere, tired of underachieving. I keep searching, nothing's working. It's not enough just to be breathing. I need something to believe in. Yeah, I need something. It's funny what goes on in your head when you think about the way things come together. But now I think back why things had to change, the reason seems so small. Cruel just a fake, keeping me awake when I need to sleep to take away the hurting. But now I got time on my hands trying to understand, but there ain't no explaining. It's doing my brain in. I got nothing, going nowhere, tired of underachieving. I keep searching, nothing's working. It's not enough just to be breathing. I need something to believe in. Yeah, I need something to believe in. It's just ain't no explaining. It's doing my brain in. I got nothing.